first thing we need to do is attach a plug. Obviously, use an electrician. I'm going to show you how to do it on the rock. This is not electrical instructions, and if you don't know what you're doing, definitely consult an electrician. We don't want these to be too long, only about 1/4 of an inch or so. So again, consulting an electrician, but showing you how we do it. We have our neutral, which is the green, going into our G, ground, and then the L1 and L2 connector ports, making sure that there's not enough wire to be spread out. So it doesn't matter which color goes in each port, as long as they're the white or the black, those are the 2 hot ports. Give it a tug, make sure it's all connected, and then let's screw it back together.